Hi everyone, my name's Claire and I work together with Gavin and Max to get a better understanding of what the youth of today know about the Roman architecture and what the relevance is in America as of 2021. So in order to understand this, Gavin, Max, and I went around Salisbury Hall at Assumption University and we asked different freshmen about what they knew about the structures that we showed them, if they were able to learn them or if they were possibly even able to identify them and maybe identify structures that exist in our society today that may look similar or have similar attributes. So for example, we thought about how Gillette Stadium has very similar attributes that the Coliseum has. And so we thought of this because the amphitheater that the Coliseum is as a structure is very unique, and it's very interesting that today we're able to utilize these amphitheaters in order to continue the entertainment for people today, as well as how they used to with the Coliseum in order to put on plays and different sorts of entertainment sources. It was also very interesting. We found that the Pantheon contained pretty much identical structures as the Jefferson Memorial does, and we found this in our we were able to show this through our interviews with the students. We found that it's an exact copy of the Pantheon. It includes the pillars as well as the dome on the top of it, and it's a classic temple structure, and it is a structure that is visible today to provide such a nice historical basis. So we also were able to find that the Pont du Gard was a very influential structure because we were able to relate it to a lot of different bridges, and we were able to show this connection to many of the students that we interviewed as well, and they were completely unaware of this because it's just such a random thing that we would never have thought about the origins of. And so when we went around and talked to all these kids, a couple of them actually knew what was going on, and they knew that they had knowledge of these structures, which was very exciting to us because we really we were proud of the fact that people were able to locate them and to name them. And so we thought that was a very nice conclusion for us to be able to understand that a lot of people do have knowledge of these structures and of the significance of them. The significance of them is not as prominent as their knowledge of the structure, so we were able to bring the understanding of why it matters in our society today. Thank you.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Gavin Johnson, and this is
Max Borders.
all right. So we got a couple of questions here for some people that live on third floor of Salisbury Hall. So right here we got Sophia Lumino, okay, and she's going to go ahead and guess a picture and name the title of what that picture is. So here we go.
Okay. This one right here.
The Parthenon.
That's correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is correct. So we're 1 for 1 right now. Sophia Lumino, junior at Assumption University. She got the question right.
Do you recognize this picture at all?
Looks exactly the same.
That is because it is an exact replica. That is the Jefferson Memorial, and it's an exact replica of the building.
In Virginia?
Crazy.
Yes, it is in Virginia.
In Virginia, Thomas Jefferson used the same type of architecture. This is Gavin Johnson. This is
Max Borders.
and here we are at 305.
We're gonna be
Okay.
showing them this image today and see what they know about it.
What is that?
This is the Pont du Gard.
All right, here we go.
Oh, fellas, how's it going? How's it
How
going?
you guys doing?
Mr. Polyurmus. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna show you one image. and you're gonna tell me what that image is. Are you ready? Here we go.
That is.
You don't know?
He has
What
no
is that?
clue.
We're out here at Salisbury Hall, 3rd floor, interviewing people about Roman architecture.
What is
Yeah.
your name? Could you go ahead and tell me what that is?
I don't know what that is, but it reminds me of the White House.
Okay, that is Maison de Carrie, okay, and it is similar to the Richmond Capitol. Again, Virginia, 3rd floor Styles. This is Gavin Johnson, is my partner.
Max Borders.
All right, and we have here with us,
Lucas Klopfer.
AKA Klopp, okay, and we're gonna show Klopp.
That is a bridge.
Okay, he's onto something. It's a bridge. Now, Max, do you want to go in depth about what he thinks that bridge is?
This was a bridge, but it was a bridge for the water for the Romans. But these aqueducts right here were how the Romans were able to bring water to all their cities.
Now, a lot of U.S. architecture in the West, in the Midwest, carrying over rivers, were built off of that Pont du Gard.
That's a railroad.
What does the Coliseum look like that's, nearby to you in Massachusetts?
Massachusetts?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
Does that
Well,
right there look familiar to you?
The architects of
Gillette Stadium.
Gillette Stadium took pieces of the
That is
Coliseum to go
wild.
ahead and make that
It was
beautiful
actually.
stadium. What do you
way.
think about that?
Can you see the resemblance?
That's awesome. I actually do see it a little bit, bits and pieces, but
Bits
I
and
wouldn't have
pieces.
guessed it. To
Bits
be
and
honest.
pieces.
Wouldn't have guessed it. I'm not gonna
Definitely,
lie.
definitely. This is Kobe Layton, and he's out.